Minimalist interiors have become increasingly popular because they promote a sense of calm, order, and functionality. Their uncluttered layouts, neutral color palettes, and carefully selected furnishings make even compact apartments feel spacious and serene. Yet one challenge many homeowners encounter is making a minimalist space feel inviting rather than sterile. When every surface is smooth and every piece of furniture shares the same finish, the room can lack personality and visual depth. Fortunately, achieving a cozy minimalist apartment does not require filling the space with decorations. Instead, the answer lies in using texture intentionally. By introducing a thoughtful mix of natural materials, tactile fabrics, and subtle contrasts, you can create an apartment that feels sophisticated, comfortable, and timeless while preserving the simplicity that defines minimalist design. Start with a neutral foundation. Texture becomes more noticeable when it is paired with a restrained color palette. Neutral shades such as warm white, ivory, beige, taupe, light gray, and soft earth tones provide the perfect backdrop for showcasing different materials. Rather than relying on bold colors to create interest, allow the textures themselves to become the focal point. A cream-colored linen sofa, for example, immediately feels more inviting than one upholstered in a flat synthetic fabric, even though both share the same neutral color. Maintaining a consistent palette also creates harmony, allowing different textures to complement rather than compete with one another. Embrace the beauty of natural materials. Natural materials are the heart of warm minimalist interiors. They possess subtle imperfections, organic patterns, and unique finishes that manufactured surfaces often cannot replicate. Wood remains one of the most versatile choices. Whether featured in flooring, floating shelves, dining tables, or decorative accents, its grain adds instant warmth and authenticity. Stone also contributes understated elegance. Marble, limestone, travertine, and slate each introduce distinctive textures while maintaining a refined appearance. Even a simple stone tray on a coffee table can elevate the entire room. Woven materials such as rattan, cane, bamboo, and seagrass offer additional depth. A woven storage basket or pendant light introduces visual softness without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. Layer soft textiles for comfort. Textiles play a significant role in making a minimalist apartment feel lived in and welcoming. The key is layering different fabrics while keeping the overall design cohesive. Begin with curtains made from linen or lightweight cotton. Their gentle folds soften the sharp lines of windows and allow natural light to filter beautifully throughout the room. Next, introduce cushions with varied weaves instead of bold prints. A knitted pillow, a woven cushion, and a soft velvet accent can comfortably coexist when they remain within the same color family. A cozy throw blanket casually draped across the sofa adds another layer of texture while making the living area feel more inviting. In the bedroom, combining crisp cotton sheets with a quilted coverlet and a chunky knit blanket creates an atmosphere of effortless comfort. Use rugs to define spaces. A rug does far more than protect flooring. It establishes warmth, absorbs sound, and anchors furniture within a room. For minimalist apartments, choose rugs that emphasize texture rather than elaborate patterns. Hand-woven wool rugs, jute rugs, or flat weave cotton designs introduce visual interest while preserving a clean appearance. If your apartment features hardwood or polished concrete floors, a textured rug creates an appealing contrast between smooth and soft surfaces. This balance enhances comfort without disrupting the simplicity of the overall design. Selecting a rug slightly larger than expected can also make a room feel more cohesive and spacious. Mix surface finishes thoughtfully. An often overlooked way to add texture is by varying the finishes of surfaces throughout the apartment. Instead of matching every item perfectly, combine matte, brushed, polished, and lightly textured finishes. For instance, matte cabinetry pairs beautifully with brushed metal hardware, while a smooth glass coffee table complements rough, ceramic accessories. These subtle contrasts create visual richness that becomes noticeable only after spending time in a room, making the design feel sophisticated rather than overwhelming. The goal is balance. Too many shiny surfaces may appear cold, while an excess of rough materials can make the space feel heavy. Mixing finishes thoughtfully creates harmony. Decorate with handmade pieces. Minimalist homes benefit greatly from carefully selected handmade objects because they add character without introducing clutter. Handcrafted pottery, ceramic bowls, textured vases, wooden sculptures, or woven baskets each tell a story through their natural imperfections. Small variations in shape, glaze, or craftsmanship make these items feel authentic and unique. Instead of displaying numerous decorative pieces, choose only a few that genuinely enhance the space. Their quality should speak louder than their quantity. Leaving empty space around each accessory allows its texture and form to become part of the room's visual composition. Introduce greenery as living texture. Plants are among the most effective ways to soften minimalist interiors. Their organic forms contrast beautifully with clean architectural lines while adding freshness and movement. Large indoor plants such as fiddle-leaf figs, rubber plants, or bird of paradise create striking focal points. Smaller varieties placed on shelves or countertops provide gentle accents without demanding attention. Natural planters made from clay, stone, concrete, or woven fibers further enrich the room by adding complementary textures. Unlike decorative objects that remain unchanged, plants continue to grow and evolve, bringing life and seasonal variation into the apartment. Let lighting reveal texture. Texture is most beautiful when illuminated properly. Natural sunlight highlights the weave of fabrics, the grain of wood, and the uneven surfaces of handcrafted ceramics. During the evening, warm ambient lighting creates gentle shadows that emphasize depth and dimension. Floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces positioned at different heights make textured materials appear even more inviting. Avoid overly bright, cool lighting, which can flatten surfaces and reduce the cozy.